If one of your goals in 2022 was to start a business, then you and I met for a reason. My name is Nicole Scott, and I help entrepreneurs start and scale their business. I have helped over 2 multi-million-dollar companies start and scale their business, and now I'm doing it for myself and others. It's so rewarding, and guess what? It's almost the second quarter. So if you haven't started by now, we are starting a mentorship starting March 1st. Yes, March 1st. It's called the Fire Your Boss Mentorship. So if this ain't gonna get you started, I don't know what will. Head over to the link that's included in our description for you to get signed up and get started on your 2022 goals.